This class is primarily focused on word study, but it also includes vocabulary development, fluency practice, and comprehension at the sentence and paragraph levels. We will be building words, learning the 6-syllable types, learning prefixes, Latin roots, and suffixes, applying what we've learned to decode our vocabulary and read phrases, as well as passages. A routine every day is to bring your reading binder that you saw in one of the previous videos, your independent reading book, and your agenda book. Everybody at MMS is going to be following the CATS code. How can I earn a passing grade? Well, this also pertains to the CATS code. You're following directions, completing class and remote work on time, asking for help, and doing your personal best. This class is designed as a pass-fail class, so be looking for that P on the report card. All right, guys, let's team together. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to email me. Let's have a great year.